Let's dish it out, sharing your favorite recipes in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll focus on a flavorful topic: how to recommend recipes and dishes to others in English. If you love cooking and dining, this will certainly help you share your passion in conversations. The first step in recommending a recipe or dish is to know how to describe it well. A good description gives the listener a clear idea of the dish's appearance, taste, and aroma. Here's an example. The chicken parmesan is a delicious Italian dish. It's a breaded chicken breast topped with marinara sauce and melted cheese. The crispy chicken pairs beautifully with the tangy sauce and rich cheese, making it an irresistible meal. Notice how this description paints a clear picture of the dish and its taste profile. After describing the dish, the next step is to share why you love it. This will help you convince others to try it. You could talk about its unique taste, memorable experience, or personal significance. Let's see an example. I love this chicken parmesan because it's the perfect blend of crunch and creaminess. Plus, it always reminds me of the wonderful dinners at my grandmother's house. In this case, the speaker connects the dish to a cherished memory, adding an emotional appeal to the recommendation. Once you've described the dish and shared why you love it, it's time to recommend the recipe. You don't need to provide every detail. A brief overview should suffice. If the listener is interested, they can ask for more details or look up the recipe later. Here's how you could do it. If you're interested, I'd highly recommend trying to make chicken parmesan at home. All you need are some chicken breasts, breadcrumbs, marinara sauce, and mozzarella cheese. You start by breading and frying the chicken, then top it with the sauce and cheese, and finally bake it until the cheese melts. It's pretty straightforward. Notice how the speaker gives a concise overview without overwhelming the listener with too many details. To make your conversation interactive, don't forget to invite feedback. Ask your listener if they have tried the dish or a similar recipe before. This gives them a chance to share their own experiences and recommendations. For instance, have you ever tried chicken parmesan or a similar Italian dish? I'd love to hear about your experiences and any recipes you'd recommend. That's it for today, folks. We've learned how to recommend our favorite recipes and dishes in English. Now it's your turn to start sharing your culinary adventures with your friends and family. Remember, good food is even better when it's shared. Happy cooking and dining!